product of the day is Atomy Vitamin B Complex. So this is an energy and metabolism booster. So this is a dietary supplement from Atomy. Actually, this is not yet available here in Belgium or in UK, but we already have this as a seasonal product that is already available from me right now. And also to the store of Atibida, it's also already available. So in case you wanted to try this product so that you can promote this to your consumers or potential distributors, potential consumers, please listen carefully because you will know what are the benefits of our vitamin B complex. So what are the signs that you're having vitamin B deficiency? So in case you're having one of these signs like skin rashes, cracks around the mouth and lips, so this is very common, swollen tongue, fatigue, weakness, anemia, confusion, irritability or depression, abdominal cramps, diarrhea, constipation, or numbness or tingling in the feet and hands. So this is already the most extreme signs of vitamin B deficiency if you are feeling numbness or tingling in the feet and hands. So if you are probably experiencing one of these symptoms or signs, maybe you are vitamin B deficient. So I advise you to take our Atomy Vitamin B Complex. So first of all, what are the foods that are high in vitamin B? So in case you're not yet taking any vitamin B from other brands or our Atomy Vitamin B, but you are eating these kind of fruits, this kind of food, well, it's okay, but it's still better for you to take vitamin B on top of the food that you're eating. So this comes from highest vitamin B content to lowest vitamin B content. So the first one is the milk, of course, coming from the animals, cheese, eggs, liver and kidney, meat like chicken or red meat, fish like tuna, mackerel and salmon, shellfish like oysters, clams, dark green vegetables like spinach, kale, and cereal beans. Actually, mas mataas ang vitamin B content ng mga vegetable which are darker in color, so the dark green ones, than the lighter color ones. Then we also have the kidney beans, black beans, chickpeas, nuts, and seeds, fruits like citrus, banana, watermelon. Why fruits? Ang pinakamababa kasi, remember, fruits contains a lot of water. Then soy products, soy milk, tempeh, blackstrap, molasses, wheat germ, yeast, and nutritional yeast. So these are the products that are high in vitamin B. So if you are eating most of these products, most of these foods, lucky you because you are very high in vitamin B. But for those people who are not eating this kind of food, I advise you to take vitamin B so that you will not be feeling sick or you will not be anemic or having this deficiency from lack of having vitamin B. Now, what is so special about our vitamin B complex? So first of all, B vitamins plays a unique and important role to support and promote energy and metabolism. So if you have been taking Himuhim but still sinasabi niyo sa sarili niyo, bakit ganon? Nagtitake na ako ng Himuhim pero nanghihina pa rin ako. So, ibig sabihin nun, you might be vitamin D deficient. So, mahina ang metabolism mo and mahina ang energy mo. So, I advise you, or even if you go to a doctor, well, I'm not a doctor, so but according to the videos that I watch, if you are feeling, sorry, I'm just gonna mute. Ate Kim, can you mute yourself?
Yeah.
Background noise kasi, sorry. Okay, yeah. So if you are feeling weak, even if you are already taking Himuhim, I advise you to take vitamin B as well because you might probably be vitamin B deficient. So our Atomy Vitamin B complex is packed with ideal proportions of all 8 vitamins with their organic fruit and vegetable blend. So it comes from organic fruits and vegetables with no animal content. Kasi yung ibang brand kasi, mostly ang ginagamit nila sa vitamin B nila is animal content. Why? Kasi mas madaling makakuha ng animal content and mas mura kasi siya. Unlike kung vegan, or full of fruits and vegetables, organic fruits and vegetables, kailangan ng manufacturer na makakuha ng maraming amount ng organic fruits and vegetables. Kaya mas mahal siya. But Atomy, Atomy did their part. Our Atomy vitamin B complex delivers your daily dose in one convenient veggie capsule. So no animal content. So this is completely vegan. So if you're having some friends who are looking for vitamin B but they wanted to consume a vegan vitamin B, please recommend them our Atomy vitamin B complex. So what are the benefits of vitamin B complex? So first of all, it is maintaining good health and well-being. It supports metabolism of food into cellular energy. It supports the nervous system health. And it is a building blocks impacting energy levels, brain functions, and cell metabolism. So ang ating vitamin B complex pala ay very good for people that are having cognitive issues or yung mga nakakalimot na like me. So, i-mute ko lang kayong lahat for now. So, para wala tayong background noise. Okay. All right. So, ayan, as I've said, our vitamin B plays a vital role in maintaining good health and well-being. So, ano-ano ba talaga ang role ng vitamins and minerals on our body? So, vitamins and minerals are what we call catalysts in our body. So they actually helps in certain chemical reaction to occur. So if you have, for example, if you have a whole bunch of substance A and substance B, and A plus B needs to give substance C, before A and B can react and form a new product, it needs catalyst. So ito yung vitamin natin. So ang vitamin natin, they act as catalyst so that we can have our all the nutrients, all the vitamins that we need in our body. So this is like a bit of chemistry, because as when we were in school, we have studied this, but most probably nakalimutan na natin yon. But knowing atomy, now, pagka ini-study natin yung mga products, lalabas na naman yung mga chemistry knowledge natin. Now, next one. Okay, so about our vitamin B complex, as I've said, this is a dietary supplement, completely vegan. It has 90 capsules, and the recommended daily usage is only 1 capsule a day. Not more, not less. So sa isang bottle, this is the bottle of our Atomy vitamin B complex. It already consists of 90 capsules. So meaning, in just 1 box, this will already be your supply for 3 months. Kasi it is already for 90 days. So what are the roles of the 8B vitamins? So the B1, which is the thiamine, it supports energy metabolism, helps convert food into usable energy necessary for the growth, development, and functions of the cell. B2, which is called the riboflavin, which supports energy production and normal cellular function. B3, which is the niacin, which helps support the digestive system, skin, and nerves. So if we are having some digestive dysfunctionality like diarrhea, vitamin B3 is very critical or very needed for us. So it's again better for us to take this Atomy vitamin B complex. And B5 is the pantothenic acid, which is essential for fatty acid synthesis and degradation. So we need, as we all know, we need fatty acids in the cell wall in all our cells. Then B6, which is the pyridoxine, which plays a role in mood regulation and cognitive function. So this B6 is the vitamin that is mostly affecting our brain function. Okay, our brain the most. Then B7 is the biotin, which helps the body metabolize proteins and process glucose. As we all know, glucose is our energy source. So if you don't have this vitamin, your ability to use glucose will decrease gradually. So pagka wala tayong vitamin B7 sa katawan, hindi natin magagamit yung glucose. So what is the effect of that? So the effect of that will be hihina yung energy natin. Yes, Ate Zil, you raise your hand.
Yeah. Vitamin B actually is very good for those vegan or vegetarian.
Yes.
Because I remember when I was vegetarian for 3 years and 2 years vegan. Mostly, yung mga veganist at saka vegetarian, kulang sila ng vitamin B. I mean, suggestion ko lang. Yun.
Yeah, that's correct. That's
Yes,
why
it's very suitable for vegan and vegetarian. So if you know someone who's veganist, it's really advisable to
to
yeah,
take vitamin B.
to take vitamin B, especially B1, B12 and B6 and B12.
Yes,
Yun.
and the good thing, thank you, Ate Sel, for that information. And the good thing about our Atomy Vitamin B complex is it already has all the vitamin B that we need in our body. So as Ate Sel said, that this is very good for vegan people. So yeah, ladies and gentlemen, our Atomy Vitamin B complex is vegan, which has no any animal content in it. So going forward, B9, which is the folate, so this plays a crucial role in normal cell growth and formation of DNA. Yes, so as we all know, folic acid. So folic acid is a synthetic water-soluble vitamin used in supplements and fortified foods. And B12 is what we call the cobalamin. So this is required for normal red blood cell formation, neurological function, and DNA synthesis. So kung wala tayong B12 sa katawan, hindi magiging maganda ang formation ng red blood cells natin. Now, what is unique about our Atomy B complex? So first of all, this is non-GMO. So non-GMO means this is non-genetically modified organisms. This is gluten-free, and this is also vegan-friendly. So kung meron kayong mga kakilala na sa palagay nyo doon sa in-explain ko kanina kung ano yung mga signs na vitamin B deficient sila, let them introduce them Atomy Vitamin B complex, because this will really help them regain the vitamin B that they need in their body. The number two, our Atomy Vitamin B complex is made out of 100% organic vegetable and fruit blends. And number three, it has the quadrifolic. This is the active form of vitamin B9. So actually, kung nagtitake na kayo ng mga vitamin B, if ever it is not converted into the bioactive form, useless lang or wini-waste nyo lang yung pera nyo, because you are ending up peeing all the vitamin B that you intake. Unlike Atomy's vitamin B complex, all of the vitamin B, like B9 and B12, has already been converted to bioactive form. So meaning, matitake na siya ng body natin, matitake siya or madadigest siya ng body natin in a very efficient way. Hindi na natin kailangan ng conversion. So later on, I will explain this to you on the other slides. And number four, it has the active forms of vitamin B2, B3, B6, and B7, as like what I have explained. Now, this B9, which is the folate vitamin. So again, folic acid is a synthetic water-soluble vitamin used in supplements and fortified foods. So if this B9 has not yet been converted to bioactive form, as you see here, food folate and folic acid are both inactive and must be converted into the bioactive form to be effective. So kung inactive siya, kung hindi pa siya na-convert into bioactive, hindi magiging effective yung vitamin B9 or vitamin B na ini-intake natin sa katawan natin. Kasi ang vitamin B, the food sources of folate, for example, folate is found naturally in a wide variety of foods, but typical folate intakes are poor for many individuals. In addition, natural folate is easily oxidized to lose activity and largely destroyed by cooking. So, syempre, pag nagluluto tayo, di ba, ng mga sources ng vitamin B, like for example, broccoli, eggs, pagka binoil natin yan, nade-destroy na rin yung vitamin B doon sa pagluluto natin. Kaya it's really necessary and really advisable na tinitake pa rin natin siya into another source, which is this Atomy Vitamin B complex. And as I've said, this has been already converted to bioactive form para hindi natin wini-waste yung pera natin kung bibili tayo ng mga vitamin B na hindi naman pala converted into active form. Then, this is what I'm talking about. So, in order for the folic acid to be effective in our body, it has to be converted into the bioactive form. But since our Atomy vitamin B complex already has the quadrifolic, which is already converted into an active form, bioactive form, it is already it is already absorbed, or it can be easily absorbed by our body, and it is going to be effective. Unlike if this is still inactive, hindi siya magiging effective sa body natin. So what are the benefits of this quadrifolic? So sino-sino ang pwedeng gumamit nito? So first of all, women who are planning for pregnancy or pregnant women can also take this vitamin B complex. Breastfeeding women, those people with anemia or yung mga anemic, or yung mga tao na may mood impairment and depression, those people that has cognitive functions in elderly people, cardiovascular protection, and for sport nutrition. Okay, Ate Kim, yes, reserved for you. 1. Okay, thank you. Nagmay na agad si Ate Kim. Ayan. So those are the health benefits of our quadrifolic. That is found in our vitamin B complex. Okay, so next slide. Oops, sorry. I don't know what's happening to my yeah, okay. And also our vitamin B complex already has the active form of vitamin B12. So methylcobalamin is an active form of vitamin B12 that the body can utilize directly without any need for conversion. So like the B9, if this is not, or if these are all not converted into the bioactive form, this is useless for us. But since Atomy has already made this B12 into active form, this can be easily utilized directly without any need for conversion in our body. So hindi na natin kailangan ng conversion, matitake na natin siya easily, and plus this will be very effective. So kung yun nga, yung mga taong may vitamin B deficiency, please advise them to use our Atomy vitamin B complex. Now, so ito naman yung mga active forms of B vitamins. So ito yung explanation nila kung paano nila convert from non-active to active form. But unfortunately, I will not be able to discuss this to you because this is, a lot of chemistry already. So our Atomy vitamin B complex contains the active forms of of vitamin B2, B3, B6, B7, B9, and B12. So actually, all the vitamin B that we need is already here in our Atomy vitamin B complex all in one. So that's why I will be taking this starting today kasi kararating lang nitong vitamin B complex natin. So what are the organic fruits and vegetable blends that are the contents of our vitamin B complex? So we have the organic fruit blends such as apple, blueberry, and cranberry. And we also have the organic vegetable blends such as tomato, carrot, and beet. Organic green veggie blends such as spinach, broccoli, and kale. So nakukuha natin dyan yung B1, B9, B6, B12, B3, B5, B2, and B7. So as I've said, all of the vitamin B that you need is already here, all in one. Now, as you can see, if you take this Atomy vitamin B complex, there will be a huge percent value added rather than other brands. Like for example, in the US daily intake value of of vitamin B1, which is the thiamine, is only 1.2 milligrams per day. But if you take the Atomy vitamin B complex, this already consists 5 milligrams. So mas malaki yung content na mai-intake natin, which will be more effective for us. And it will already give you the 417% daily value. Right? And of course, the vitamin B2, which will give you 769% value, B12, which is really essential in the formation of our red blood cells. Kasi kahit if you lack B12, hindi magiging maganda yung formation ng red blood cells nyo. And with our Atomy vitamin B complex, it will already give you 1,000% of B12 that is necessary for the formation of our red blood cells. Okay, in order for our DNA formation as well. So if I were you, I will really take this one to better my health, because as we all know, we are on the pandemic age. Actually, 2 years na tayo in COVID, and our priority is. So this is the bottle of our vitamin B. And inside there is 90 capsules. So as I've said, if you purchase this one, this will already be your supply for 3 months. So this looks like this. Nakikita nyo ba siya? So this is just a very small capsule. So we are all taking capsules if you're sick or if we wanted to take some vitamins. So this is how you will take it. Tita Malu, this is how you will take vitamin B complex. So you have to put it in your mouth and put your water in our tumbler. Drink water from it. By the way, this is Atomy Slim Body Tumbler. So if you want to have this for free, all you have to do is to present a product during our Tuesday meeting.
Can
Hi,
I
Te.
add something about
Yes,
the
of course.
vitamin B complex?
Yes, please, Ate
Yeah,
Evelyn.
hi. Good evening, everyone. So I'm Evelyn. I'm a nurse here in UK for many years. So I would like to ask only about the vitamin B complex, because when we are going to introduce it to the customer, to your customers, you have always advised them to keep eating healthy, balanced diet. Always tell them that all the resources comes from meat, vegetables, and fruits. That is a natural resources of vitamin B complex that what we are discussing about in the lecture. But then, because of our busy life, especially if we are working every day, and some people are not very keen to eat vegetables on a daily basis. So we have like five components of vegetables that we should, actually going to eat every day. But we cannot take it because of a busy life. Sometimes we don't like eating vegetables, or some people doesn't like the kind of fruits that they are eating. So it's very important as well to have, to introduce these products to the customer just for a support of our immune system and our body to function very well. So, but always introduce or say something about first about a healthy eating or healthy diet to our customers before we can introduce more. But they have to try first before this vitamin B complex. But because of the busy life, then this will help. This will really boost their immune system as well and their body to function well. Thank you.